Now we're going to review our figure 20-31 from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And notice we're still dealing with transformer vaults. And in our NEC loop that you see in the illustration, vents and their location is 450.45A. Vents size is 450.45C. Covering vents, 450.45D is in dog. And then, of course, vents dampers that have to be installed when needed is 450.45E, excuse me. And then notice the vents that you see here, they open directly to the outside with no duct or flukes. What you would really have to do if you didn't have the vault designed to the outside wall, then you would have to bring in mechanical ventilation in accordance with NFPA 30. But notice the area of your vent is at least 3 square inch for each kVA of transformer capacity, and then 1 square foot area minimum. And that's what our figure 20-31 is illustrating, dealing with a vault that houses transformers.